All right. Let me send out these links real quick. All right, so we have a few things to talk about. First thing I'm going to hop into is BTC, Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum. So we're going to be hopping into first real quick. Then I'll give an update for the overall stock and crypto market, AMC and GME. So BTC, massive pump to the upside from the lows here. Seeing Bitcoin up about 21% from the lows. The big news, though, is altcoins. Altcoins absolutely popping off right now. SEC Ripple lawsuit defeated. And we talked about this with the Chevron precedent prop getting removed, that most of the SEC lawsuits would be invalid because they were using the Howey test and their interpretation of the Howey test to bring up the lawsuits against crypto altcoins as securities. The Chevron precedent made it so that their interpretation of the Howey test doesn't matter. It took away their power. XRP and XLM, massive moves to the upside. XRP up 24% for the day. XLM up 8.4% for the day right now. XRP up about 43% for the month. XLM 17% for the month. Decent day in the crypto market right now. If Bitcoin can break back above 61,600, Bitcoin is back in place for all-time highs. AMC stock pushing back up towards this $5 level. Came down here on 472. Really, 476 was the ultimate low. Kind of made this double bottom structure here. Pushing back to the upside. AMC is probably going to break $5. Looking strong, still in this overall consolidation range. This has been several months of consolidation, as people pointed out. Not really a bad thing. We had several months of consolidation before the last mega move to the upside, and you guys can see we had this big pop to the upside, 400% run, absolutely insane. We all remember that just recently. Well, look what happened 3 months in after the first pop. 1, 2, 3 months of consolidation led to a bigger move. We are now on the 3rd month of consolidation right now here for AMC, not breaking down. That is a good sign. So AMC is probably going to just keep chilling, doing its thing, post up around $5. If we can get back above 502, that's where we want to be, obviously. GameStop breaking out of the falling wedge right now. Guys can see that GameStop falling wedge is in play. We talked about this on the videos and the updates during the live streams. First price target for GameStop falling wedge is going to be $22.32. Second price target is going to be more of a range, 25.03 to about 25.93. And then we have a third ultimate price target at $30 for GameStop breaking out of this falling wedge. So I'm expecting GameStop to see a recovery to the upside for this overall downtrend that it's been to end. GameStop pushing to the upside, up 3% on the day right now. Amy up 3% as well. So SPY broke down out of the rising wedge yesterday. We talked about this rising wedge breakdown. Good play for the puts. You can see SPY broke down in after hours, finding a low and bouncing back to the upside. Now, the key here for SPY is determining if we make a higher high or a lower high. And as of right now, we're making a lower high. And if we make a lower high, this is going to determine that SPY is most likely going to remain in the downtrend. You can also see that the overall macro downtrend is still intact based off indicators such as the alligator. So still a lot of bearish momentum. SPY should be trying to find some sort of levels of support here, though, because RSI is getting extremely oversold. And I think we were outside the bands here. Let me check. Okay, yeah, we were outside the bands on the daily, coming back inside. Even very good possibility for SPY to come up and fill this gap. But I'm expecting this overall downtrend to stay intact. There's just too much going on right now with the rotation of the market. I don't know if you guys seen this shit coming out right now, but possible new pandemic. Here we go. Check this out. I don't know if you guys are understanding or watching what's going on in Africa right now. Freaking monkeypox, dog. It's like, oh, and check this out. Check this out. What is it Boeing? Is it Boeing? Lockheed Martin. I think it is. Lockheed Martin stock is absolutely ripping. While the SPY's pulling back, this is signs of freaking war. We're also seeing here in the United States, we're seeing transports, tanks, trains, tanks on trains being transported. So shit's about to go down. Plus, they already said they're sending people over, they're sending warships over to the Middle East. The Middle East is a powder keg right now. So there's way too much shit going down. You have to remember that the only way these big rich people can sell is when the market's going up. They can't really sell into a downtrend. They can, but it's going to make it dump even harder. They need liquidity, so they need the market to get these bounces in order to exit out of their positions. They literally have to see these run-ups so they can exit out of their position. That's normally why you actually see these bear flags. You get a big drop to the downside that's sudden and not most people get caught off guard by it. Then you get this bearish consolidation. This is smart money exiting, and then you get your drop again. Then you're going to get another liquidity pool, push up, and that's going to bring it back to the downside, in my personal opinion. SQQQ reaching as high as 1141. Oh no, 1122 here in after hours. 1122 here in after hours. Pulling back, there is a slight gap fill to the downside, so if that gap did get filled, wouldn't be surprised. Overall, SQQQ still in an overall uptrend. Bitcoin ETFs bought the dip on Wednesday. And this is what I'm talking about, Bitcoin and crypto maturing. There's a lot of big sovereign money now moving into those ETFs. A lot of those rich mofos feel more comfortable putting their money in the stock market. They're old school. They don't, even though they're literally investing in Bitcoin by doing the ETF, they just rather put it there. Also, it works better with their portfolios. IRAs, stuff like that, Roth IRAs and shit like that. So that's why a lot of people invest in these ETFs. Me personally, I would rather invest in the underlying asset BTC. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. There's gonna be pullbacks, but BTC is making a new floor, and you're not gonna be able to get Bitcoin for. I mean, that 49K was probably a buy of a century. We'll see here. In hindsight's 2020, but that 49K was probably a crazy deal. SPY has mad bearish divergence, bruh. RSI clearly trending down, price clearly trending up. This is mad bearish divergence. It will probably be, yo, first of all, it's already doing dumb shit. Multiple gap fills to the downside. This is 5-minute time frame. I'm not gonna mark it. Dude, seriously. Yeah, you can actually even see the bearish divergence on the bigger time frames. RSI trending down, price trending up, so that means price will trend up before flattening out and then correct back to the downside in a big way. Yeah, mad bearish divergence on SPY. AMC pushing towards 502. Want to see AMC break 502? This is a bull flag on AMI. That is a bull flag on AMI. We had 2 new members of the Discord today. Or that was yesterday. 2 new members joined yesterday. Hold on, what's this? Anubis with the gifted. Out of control. What is this gifted? I'm tired, dude. I'm freaking tired, bro. I need it to be nighttime so I can go to sleep. I just gotta make it a few more hours. A lot more hours, actually. Holy shit. Oh shit! Look what they're saying about meme stock NL or NKLA. This is one of the original memes. And you got to think about it. If you look at AMC the same way, I mean, AMC ran up to after the reverse split, $393. It's only $2 right now. This is near all-time lows, man. Buy that shit, because this shit about to go up. Green MACD monthly, bro. People would be sick if it went back to $300. Or even like, bro, I think it could happen too. But you got to be mad patient, bro. If you guys are caught up in the everyday movement, you'll get lost. I think something's about to happen. We had this pop to the upside here. We have this long consolidation. It's the same exact setup. It's exactly the same. 3 months consolidation after a big push up. So in fact, actually, you can even track it back further. You reach an all-time low. So AMC stock hits all-time low, then gets a huge surge to the upside. Look what happened here. AMC stock hit an all-time low, then got a huge surge to the upside. Now, look what happens next. If I go to monthly candles, after we hit that all-time low, we consolidate for 1, 2, 3 months. Look how long we've been consolidating for. 1, 2, 3 months. And every single time we go down towards $4, big money steps in and buys. Why is all of this money buying AMC when it goes down lower? Why are they buying all the dips? Why did they just get shares for $6 a pop? Here, for equity. Basically, they got shares for I think it was 601. Because they know it's about to be worth a lot more. This shit's about to be worth a lot more. If the AMC takes off September, that would be dope. AMC just hit 5. AMC just hit 5. There's a lot of resistance at that $10 level. If we break past $10, though, we'd fly. But where'd we top out last time? It was like $10, right? Yeah, if we break and hold 10 and use that as support, you would get a nice move. AMC has a lot of potential if we can just get above this $6 level. If we can just get above $6, we have a potential to do so much more. That's why it's taking so long to build this bullish base. Like, it's the beginning of the bull run. It's slow. It's methodical. It takes time. You have to build a floor, and the floor has to be held. But once you build that floor, that's the floor, and you can take off. SPY starting to get overbought on the bigger time frames. 30-minute time frame overbought. And it's starting to get bearish divergence on the 15-minute time frame, the 10-minute time frame. Bearish divergence. Where the bands at? Major resistance for SPY at 531.85. Too many people shorted here. Got a nice little squeezer. This is the inverse head and shoulders right here. And this is how I know the rally is a fake pump to get liquidity. Wall Street rallies as economic concerns recede. Tech flexes its muscles. Semiconductors soar. This is because a lot of huge money is in these stocks, and they need these to go back up so they can dump on your head. The economy's concerns didn't recede. We just got bad data this week. We got more bad data this week. We just got ISM numbers this week. We literally just got ISM numbers this week. ISM dropped. ISM manufacturing fell to 46.6% from the previous of 48.5%. Firmly below market expectations, reflecting the sharpest contraction in market factory activity since November 2023. We just got more bad data. This is a fake pump. You have to always follow the data, bro. You always got to follow the fundamentals. Do not listen to the news. The news is a narrative, bro. And these people, if you think about it, this might sound crazy, but if you think about it, it will make sense to you, okay? So I'll just use a random company for an example. I'm not saying this is what the case is, but let's just say NBC or whatever, okay? You got something like that, right? Giving you your news or whatever the case may be. CNN, whatever the case may be. Who do you think owns these companies? BlackRock, Vanguard, the top 1%. These are the people that own these companies. They push out narratives for their purpose. That's why things like YouTube and stuff are becoming so popular, because nobody even trusts the mainstream media anymore. All they do is lie and spin narratives. That's why people get their news from YouTube. That's why people get their stuff from Rumble, Facebook, shit like that. You can't even trust the mainstream media. So when you see articles like that, you got to just ask yourself, what's really going on, and look at the data. All right? And just remember, we just got huge news. It cannot be understated. Cannot be understated. The unemployment numbers, crazy. Spike to the upside. This cannot be overlooked. And then we also have more recession signals right here. More recession signals coming out. And then on top of all that, we have a possible new pandemic. And on top of all that, guess what? So not only do we have economic concerns here in the USA, we have global economic concerns. Bank of Japan literally just raised rates, destroying the US dollar in the process. We also have WW3. USA's in a proxy war with Russia. And if you don't know that, that's literally what's happening. USA is in a proxy war, which means USA is basically against Russia right now. If you don't understand that, we're fighting via proxy through Ukraine. We're giving them money. We're giving them weapons. We're giving them CIA is over there helping them. Okay. So we're literally in a war with Russia. The Middle East is a powder keg. If you think that means new bull run and everything's all good, I got a bridge in London to sell you right now. Low price too. Low price. Hit me up. Email DataZeroOfficial5. Link down in the comment section description. I got a bridge for the low, dog. Hit me. And I've already showed you the same charts over and over again that go back all the way to the 1950s. Every time unemployment starts to go up like this, recession comes. Every time the Fed cuts rates, everyone thinks it means market pump. No, it means recession. I've showed you 100 times. I'll show it one more time just so everyone can be very clear. So here's the rate cut one. Rates go up. They plateau, they get cut, recession shortly after. Rates go up, they plateau, they get cut, recession shortly after they get cut. And you can see that happened every single time from all the way back from 1986. And it probably goes back further than that. I just have it from this basis point here. But I have something that goes back to the 1950s right here that marked every single recession. It called every single recession without fail from the 1950s. So why would this time be any different? Why isn't my... And here's the other one for unemployment. Unemployment goes up, it comes down, it plateaus. Once it starts to spike again, recession. Happening here, 1950, unemployment went up, recession. 55, recession. Recession. These are all, these gray boxes are recessions. Unemployment literally is doing the same thing. It went up high in April 2020. It went down a lot, and now it's spiking again. Also, if you just live in the real world, you already know we're in recession. You already know we are in recession. The XRP is the very first thing I talked about. I literally just had the... What are you talking about? I literally just scrolled past XRP news. I do this, man. I talked about it 21 hours ago. I knew as soon as it happened, man. This is what I do for a living. XRP, my third biggest holding other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's the real reason crypto's pumping, because the SEC, the Ripple lawsuit is bigger than just Ripple. It means all of the lawsuits are going to be done. And the SEC made lawsuits against a bunch of altcoins. All those altcoins are about to get off the hook, because what the SEC, I already explained this, what the SEC was using to sue the altcoins was the Howey test. But not the Howey test itself. They were using their interpretation of the Howey test. And that's very important language. Why? Because the Chevron precedent, which is a law that allowed government bodies like the SEC to use their interpretation of the law was taken away. So now they cannot use their interpretation of the Howey test anymore. They have to use the Howey test as it was written into law. And by definition, that means that altcoins are not securities. So all of the altcoins are going to win the lawsuit. You're about to see, bro. Man, you got to look at the long game, man. I'm telling you, 5 years from now, you're going to see crypto worth so much that you wish you bought some. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Even if you would buy a little bit now, in 5 or 10 years, watch. If you would have bought like $100, bro, of crypto, or $500 of crypto now, in 5 or 10 years, that shit's going to be worth so much fucking money, you'll be sick that you didn't buy. Buy and hold crypto is the easiest strategy to make bread. We are super early in crypto. We're about to get legislation. Crypto is a developing space. It's a developing industry. We got the ETFs coming out. Altcoins just beat the lawsuits. You're about to see crazy moves in crypto. Insane. And I'm telling you, watch. Mark my words. And my channel, by the grace of God, will still be here 5, 10 years from now. Mark my words when I'm talking about Bitcoin. I'm going to say it. Man, don't y'all remember when I was talking about in 2024 when Bitcoin was only 59,000 and now it's sitting at $1 million fucking a coin? Don't you wish you would have bought some back then? Back when I was telling y'all it was still super early and crypto's going to the moon beyond numbers that you can't even fathom. Everything's going digital. Everything's going digital, man. Everything's going digital. That's why they already have the digital yuan. They already have digital sovereign currency to try to compete with Bitcoin. But we already have people like El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as their sovereign currency. El Salvador is going to be the winner. You're going to see. They don't even talk about El Salvador because of how successful them making Bitcoin in the legal tender was. Because if everybody saw what happened to El Salvador, they would be like, yo, I want Bitcoin to be the US dollar now. And people would, bro. You gotta make, bro. They're trying to make things like the digital yuan to complete Bitcoin, but nothing will be able to complete with Bitcoin because it has a fixed cap. It's proof of work. You can't beat proof of work, and you can't beat decentralized, and you can't beat fixed cap, which means there's only ever going to be 21 million coins. It's not like gold where you can find a new mine and mine more, or something crazy like an asteroid come down and bring some gold to Earth or some crazy shit like that. No, there's only 21 million coins, and that's all there's ever going to be. And the dollar keeps getting worth less and less and less and less. It only makes sense to turn your thing that's devaluing into something that maintains value. Bitcoin maintains value because you can't inflate it. GameStop with a nice push to the upside right now. GameStop 4% Green Day. AMC 502. We hop on and get that push towards 5. Hop on the live and get the push towards 5. GameStop getting a little pumpy here. Thursday. GameStop getting a green week, baby. Let's go. Rallies, Wall Street rallies as economic concerns recede, which is not true. It's showing greater conviction on Thursday. Yeah, they're just going to ride the pump. Traders are going to ride the trade. That's all. Now, if you can tell me that we're going to get good PPI next month, maybe, or good core, or next week, or good core inflation ratings, you might see a pump or something like that. But we still are getting more and more bad news. And if inflation goes up, oh my God, please don't let that be the case. It looks like actually the consensus is that inflation month over month is going to go up a lot. And I think it will too, because you can almost see, it says it excludes food, but you can almost, I know this is going to sound crazy, but you can almost go to the grocery store and judge what the inflation rating is going to be. I guess maybe that's just me. Definitely went up. Inflation definitely went up for this month. Things were a little bit more expensive in July. Yeah, hit the like button if you don't mind, man. Got 250 people in the building. One brand new member. Thanks to Anubis. Shout out Anubis. SPY's only next major resistance is this 533.97, 533.18, around that range. SPY just made a bull flag. That's what this was. This is a bull flag. You see that push up, then a bull flag. SPY has bearish divergence. Just let it flatten out, correct, and let the bearish divergence come into play. Do not try to short until you get confirmation. You don't want to pile in on shorts while RSI is this low. And that's what I've seen a lot of people doing. They seen this move, and then like they started shorting down here, and that's not what you want to do. Not what you want to do. You want to short up here. And that way you can get the play. You short down here while RSI is oversold, you get burned. I did notice that this time around. Not everybody, but some of the newer people not inside the Discord. Seen a lot of people getting burnt. Really want to see AMC above that 502 level. How many short shares we got? 1.6 milli. 1.6 million on Amy. Let's see where our cost of borrow is sitting at. Our cost of borrow should see another spike because we're seeing another surge in shorting, and cost of borrow has just been dropping. So you should see cost of borrow start to bottom out and push back up. But right now it is at 2.18%. You should see cost of borrow go up. Definitely. You're seeing short interest or shorting increase, and we're seeing short interest itself increase. Crazy how GameStop short interest decreased to 10%. Remember AMC short interest was 7%? That was scary. You do not want to see shit like that, bro. 10%, that is like on the cusp. I think some shorts covered on GameStop here. Not the major ones. We know for a fact some did. Citron Research covered. We know for a fact Andrew left. We know for a fact that some of them covered. I think they got fucked up here. I think some shorts got just obliterated here, dude. Bro got so slammed in that last rally from GME, he had to go to jail. That last rally rang the short sellers out so bad that some of them had to go to jail. Man, GameStop doing very well today. GameStop falling wedge. All I seen was give me some. Sound kind of wild at first. Any XRP holders in the chat? XRP bull flag. Look at all these buy orders down here. Yeah, now of course they want to buy down here, stupids. XRP's been in a huge accumulation range because it's been very, very low. Buying it at these prices, dirt cheap, dude. This thing went up to $3 before. This thing's only like 50, 60 cents. I think it was like 50 cents when I bought it. I'll take that. Shit. $0.50 per coin. Jungle Beats, holla at me. 1 hour till power hour. 1 hour till power hour. Possible bull flag on Amy. Kind of like a cup and handle bull flag style type pattern here. If you want to support the channel for absolutely free, hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe right now. Hit the fucking like button, man. Yo. GameStop getting a nice push up 4.75% on the day. Ripe in the chat. What's up, Jess? That's good. $258 in the fucking building right now. We need 100 likes on the live. How do we manage to get 258? We started at 1 o'clock, son. That's 258 dedicated DZ fam right there. It's the real DZ. Anyone in this live stream, real DZ fam right now. If you're in this live stream listening to it, you real DZ fam right now. You're the official, bruh. The legit of the legit. The real of the real. The creme of the creme. The top of the top. SPY still bearish divergence. RSI trending down. Price trending up. Bearish divergence. SPY. I'm tired. I didn't sleep good, man. Honestly. Surprised. I only streamed because I seen everybody was freaking out, bro. I felt so bad for the fam. You were so lost without me. I seen it. I literally seen it. Everybody was like trying to determine what was going on and nobody knew. And I'm just like, oh my God, I have to get on here. I didn't sleep good last night and I don't feel good. That's why I got on mad late, man. I wasn't even gonna live stream today at all. And you guys know I never ever, I haven't missed a live stream, I don't think. I streamed every single day for I think like the past year. Except for the weekends. I've never missed a whole day live stream. I've always streamed at least sometime during the day. And I was about to not stream at all today. And I always stream at least sometime every single day. Normally market open to market close, but I think for like the past year, bruh, I've been streaming market the market every day on the week since the market's been open for like the past year. GameStop is pumping out of the falling wedge. GameStop's coming up for that first price target of 22.32. 22.32 is where GameStop's coming up for that price target. Falling wedge breakout.
What's your favorite scary movie?
New intraday high, GameStop. 21.88. DZ Nation in the building. Yes, I seen everybody freaking out. I was like, man, I had to get on here real quick. Let everybody know the deal. We only got an hour. The power hour, we might make it. Might rock out the market close. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. GameStop making a nice move. SPY resistance 530.87. 530.87. Gap fill to the upside on SQQQ. Gaps get filled. Let me check in NASDAQ. See, NASDAQ never really came back and retested this. So I want to draw this line and extend it because I know it's going to come back into play. And we're going to come up, we're going to fill this gap, and then we're going to come back down. Not financial advice. Nvidia's a buy. Psych. Maybe when that shit comes down a lot more, definitely a buy. Apple's gonna come up and fill its gap. That's gonna help the market. Apple's gonna come fill the gap that Warren Buffett made. Warren Buffett made this gap because, oh, and Bank of Japan. Warren Buffett and Bank of Japan made this gap. Dude, Ethereum ETF up major 10% right now. The Bitcoin ETF up 8%. Those ETFers are buying the dip. Bitcoin ETFs bought the dip on Wednesday. VIX coming down some. Still way elevated though. And we're way outside the channel that we've been in. We were in a major channel here. VIX is ready to see some shit too. I can't believe we went to 67, 63. That fast. That's scary. That means a crash could happen at any second. Literally, we pulled back from the brink of a crash. Like, that could have been the start. Like this. When the VIX popped, that could have been the start. When we dropped down, that could have been the start of a crash. Easily could have been the start. If people started panic selling. But luckily, they're still trying to hold up the market. They don't want the market to crash before November. You want to keep the market up until November. Then once you get in power, then we can let it crash. Because now we're stuck with you for 4 years. So, but if it starts crashing before, then guess what? Now the person that it crashed on is going to look bad. So they're trying to make it crash after November. I think today will mostly be bullish. Probably maybe a sell-off in the close. If we see something. I think today will be mostly bullish. I want to see how close goes. I want to see if we see a pop or a dump, but you're going to see one or the other for sure. It's not just going to be flat. It's going to be like start pumping or it's going to start dumping. And I want to see what we look like at close. SPY still not making a higher high too, which is bearish. Made a lower high, but not a higher high. Or made a higher low, I'm sorry. It made a higher low, but not a higher high. We had this bear flag play out, bear flag drop. Then we get recovery, probably come up, fill the gap, drop. We'll see here in a second though. Major resistance at 533.97. Eli the Great. RSI, once we fill the gap, will definitely be overbought. I feel like SPY wants to fill this gap, though. I wish this gap was never up there. Because if this gap was not up there, I could say for sure that the market isn't gonna attempt to like double top or something like that, but we could definitely attempt a double top because this gap is up there. I hate it. We got 2 more gaps to the upside to fill. What if it made a crazy... Okay, now that one would be a head and shoulders. I would love to see a nice double top. That would look great. I would love to see this. And just... blah. That would be awesome. I don't think we fill this. We might not fill this gap for a while, though. This gap definitely getting filled, but this gap, not too sure. Emo rock. GameStop having a pretty good day. 4.75% on the day. AMC 3.42. Green Day meme stocks. No one said the gaps on AMC won't get filled. There's a gap at 43. AMC fills gaps all the time. I think SPY's gonna push for that 533. AMC with a possible bullish consolidation. AMC 499, GameStop 2183. Made 28% on VIX play. Good job, dude. Good job.
Try hard.
Yeah, Amy looks like this is a bullish consolidation. And if GameStops keep pushing up, that means Amy's going to push up as well. SPY bearish divergence means it's going to keep drifting to the upside until flattening out and then correcting down. Also, SPY possible rising wedge. Let me see. Might have another rising wedge. Yep. Yep. Another rising wedge. SPY. Double risers. Bitcoin at 59,600. AMC 498. GameStop 2185. Boom. The freaker. Amy going up. Amy blowing up. Showing up. We got our rising wedge. That means we're going to get a sell-off in the close. Like I said. Wait, it means maybe sell-off in the close. Like I said. Or a dump in after hours or pre-market, yeah. It's going to be one of those. SPY. Got another rising wedge. Rising wedge instead. You might want to get a hedge. We see a rising wedge. I need to go to bed. So SQQQ has a falling wedge, and then SPY has a rising wedge. So SPY will break back down. And this could be a double top if that turns out. If that turns out to be the case, that would be a double top. Top number one, top two, and SPY would dump back down even harder. Of course, you need bounces on the way down on SPY. You just market stocks don't just move straight down. You do get liquidity bounces on the way down. But I expect this overall downtrend to stay intact. Double risers, bro. So depending on where this rising wedge breaks down, we might see a sell-off at the close or here in pre-market or after hours. But it looks like we're getting red MACD now, so watch out. And 10-minute MACD red on SPY. Definitely building bearish momentum. With the bearish divergence, RSI clearly trending down, price clearly trending up. This has a rising wedge. SPY will be breaking to the downside. You know, a lot of people are freaking out and shit. You gotta trust the chart's facts. All right, so if we can start to get some bullish momentum, we could see a push above that 502, but we need to see at least green MACD on the 5-minute time frame at minimum. Let me check. There's a gap down here that still didn't get filled. It got filled. It got touched in pre-market, but that doesn't count. It's still an area that ironically needed retested, and it got retested. It just was in after hours. GameStop getting some pullback after RSI getting overbought. SPY pulling back, SPY pulling back. Tracking. That's how we do, dog. You already know how the technicals play out. That's why you got to follow the charts, the facts, and the data, man. Like, that's really what matters. Charts, facts, and data. That's literally what matters. Fundamentals, technicals. Everything else is just bullshit. And the news is just unless it's some type of catalyst news, it's narratives. It's just lies. The only thing that really matters is this data right here. This type of stuff. Economic data. Fundamental data. And of course you can use things like short shares, cost to borrow, stuff like that. Technicals. And with those two things you can make predictions. The news, first, they just spin narratives and sometimes cause catalysts. That's it. And the catalyst ain't even the news. It's something that actually happened. It's just the news reporting on it. Which is, it's a fundamental, the catalyst is like normally something fundamental that happened. The news is reporting on it. That's why news is not part of it. It's just charts, facts, and data, bruh. August 16th. What the heck are you talking about, bro? Bro said he's trying to go to Japan's on a live forest. Rockets in the chat. Bitcoin B in the chat. Looks like GameStop, AMC, and SPY pulling back just slightly here. If SPY breaks down out of rising wedge, you will see a bigger drop to the downside. Man, credit cards been at all-time highs. Americans are maxing out their debt. Nobody got money, bro. If you have a savings account and you have assets, you're probably better than like at least probably like 50% right now. Like on the real, it's so crazy. If you, let's say you own stock or crypto and you have a savings account, you're probably better than a good 50%. Let's say you got like $1,000 savings and $1,000 assets. You're probably literally doing better than 50, and then add no debt. So you have zero debt. You got $1,000 crypto, and you got $1,000 savings. You're probably better than 50%. Easy if you add the no debt. Not using no credit cards and shit. It could definitely be a catalyst, but a lot of people already know that credit cards are getting maxed out. We have a credit card bubble crisis, basically. And a lot of debt's about to get refinanced on these new higher interest rates, and it's going to really mess a lot of things up. A lot of mortgages about to roll over. Shit's about to get crazy, dude. I'm telling you, man. Shit's about to get crazy. People just really don't understand what's happening. And this market, it should definitely be way, 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 way lower. And the fact that it should be way, way, way lower, it's gonna crash. It's just gonna crash. The market is way overvalued, dude. Way overvalued. This is the most overvalued we've probably ever seen the market in history. All this bad economic data, all these bad things going on. We have an over-reliance on the Mag 7 trying to hold us up. Just Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. Like, our stock market is just not healthy. Amy has support at 496. GameStop pushing back to the upside. SPY trying to get a bounce off of rising wedge. When SPY breaks down into the rising wedge, you will see a move down. We got one new member. The question is, will we get a Amy getting a bounce. All right. Looks like SPY starting to show signs of weakness. 10-minute MACD, 15-minute MACD red. RSI trending down. SPY starting to show that signs of weakness. That bearish divergence is going to play out. Bearish divergence is going to play out. Watch out, because it's going to dump out this rising wedge. Be careful. Yeah, I'll check it out. What is it? LUMN. I got you. And that's actually going to lock us in for 1 brand new member and 1 super chat on this very short live stream. Thank you. This shit looks like it's about to make another move down, bro. It has to break above, I would say, $6 to be bullish. MACD red 1 hour time frame. MACD 2 hour time frame curling down. If this stock loses $5 at support, it's gonna dump. So if this stock loses $5 and goes under 5 and rejects from 5, it's gonna dump. Volume is also trending down. I don't like this stock at all. This thing's gonna come back down. It was good back here if you bought back here, but this thing's gonna be coming back down. It even has bearish divergence. RSI is trending down. It made lower highs and price made higher highs. I don't like this stock at all. Outside the bands on the weekly time frame, RSI overbought. RSI overbought on the daily time frame. Nah, this is not something you want to be in right now, dude. This is going to be pulling back inside of the bands on the daily time frame. This is something you want to get in around $2.50, $3.50. You do not want to be buying up here at this 515 level right now. You do not want to be buying up at this 515 level right now. You want to be buying the stock for around $2.50, $3.50. If you see the stock lose $5, it's going to absolutely dump. The stock must hold $6 to be bullish. It had a little bit of squeeze here, busting out the bands, but that's it. It looks like it's losing momentum, coming back down. RSI making lower highs. Bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Hell no. I didn't know I could do this. Nah, bro. I was looking inside of the Discord. You guys were freaking out in the Discord, bro. That's literally what made me get online, because you guys were freaking out. Nobody knew what was going on. And I'm like, oh my god, I gotta get in here. Coach, put me in the game. But I appreciate it, dude. If your average is 219, I would take profits, and then I would take profits, and I would buy back later, because that thing looks like it's gonna be coming down to me. I could be wrong, but there's a lot of things saying that thing's coming down. It looks like it's going to come back down to like $2.30 to $3.50, around that. $2.50 to $3.50 is what it looks like it's going to come down to. Why does it say... Hold on, did I miss something? Oh, Willie with the super, bro. Willie and Emmanuel. Thank you. Double supers right now. Thank you for the 5s, y'all. Much love. Looks like SPY's breaking down out of rising wedge. SPY breaking down at a rising wedge. SPY breaking down at a rising wedge. All right, so SPY's trying to hold that support and resistance. Once you see SPY break down out of this, and what you want to look for is confirmation. You want to see SPY break below the level of support and resistance, break below it, confirm it as resistance, and then start moving away. That will let you know that a big drop is about to happen. Based off what we're seeing here, this will probably happen here after hours, pre-market tomorrow. So probably have a bearish Friday on SPY, not financial advice. AMC hitting 501, pushing to the upside. GameStop, almost new intraday high at 21.86. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Help support the stream for absolutely free. Hit that like button and subscribe. So this just in. Donald Trump and Kamala Harris will have a debate September 10th. Donald Trump and Kamala Harris debate September 10th. Just in. Literally just dropped. Danny Lamb with the gifted. And bro with the dub. What's the chance of seeing 212 tomorrow on what? Oh, IWM? That's kind of a tall order, bro. That's a tall order there. There is a gap fill up here from 211 to 215 though. There is a gap fill for IWM at 211 to 215. Bitcoin at 59,700. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin can break back above 61K, that's hella bullish, dog. I'm telling you, man, buy the dips on crypto, dude, not financial advice. I just posted about Bitcoin. Bitcoin holders are here. And notice how institutional investors did get in right before. Institutional investors got in right around 49K. Look how we bounced off of 49K. I'm telling you, bro, 49K is the floor. We're not going lower than that. If BlackRock started buying around 49,000, you really think Bitcoin's gonna dump below it? If it does, it will be for a quick second, then bounce. The floor, I think, is around 50K. I don't think you can get Bitcoin for less than 50,000 anymore. I don't think you'll be able to. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You're just not going to be able to get Bitcoin for 50,000 anymore. Marlena and her love for rockets in the chat. You did. This shit trash, nigga. All right, GameStop holding critical support of 21. I can't see the line. I hate when that happens. 21.77. AMC trying to push towards 502. Ooh, looks like SPY starting to confirm rising wedge as resistance. Possible sell-off in the close as expected. Yo, hit the like button. We almost got 150 likes. Hit the like button. AK, that's crazy. I don't know, man. I don't know what some of these dudes' problems are. Oh, we got Discord inquiry. Discord inquiry. If you guys want to get in the Discord, hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5, DataZeroOfficial5. You can also hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up on those two. I prefer the email, though. Hit me up on the email and ask me about the Discord. People also hit me up on Twitter, but I really do prefer the email. It makes things so much easier for me. So please hit me up on the email if possible. DataZeroOfficial5. Lifetime invite, $75 for a lifetime invite on the Discord. We just got 2 brand new members yesterday, and we have an inquiry today. So make sure you check that out on Twitter. But I really... All right, we're about to break 150 likes in a second, y'all. Just wait for it. Here's the email. Also, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. We're trying to get 1,000 Instagram followers, and we're trying to get 2,000 Twitter followers. Let me see where we're at on Twitter. So, Twitter, we have 1,954 followers. We're trying to get 2,000. Instagram, we got like 600. We're trying to get 1,000. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Got to get our socials up. Got to get our followers up. Can't just be popping on YouTube. We got to be popping all over, you dig? If you guys help me get more Twitter followers, I can get more promotionals and shit like that. For some reason, Twitter followers and YouTube followers matter a lot. And they go hand in hand for some reason. Ah, man, that shit's always going to be called Twitter to me, dog. GameStop trying to possibly push up here in the close. 30 minutes remaining. 30 minutes remaining. 30 fucking minutes remaining, y'all. I need everybody to turn up right now. Thank you guys for tuning in to the DZ live stream. I know we started mad late today. Shit was a little crazy last night. You already know what it is. Imagine buying a fucking piece from Amazon and this shit don't even work, bruh. And then I didn't even care about the money. I just didn't even return it because it's too much inconvenience. AMC $4.99, GameStop $21.80. SPY breaking down on a rising wedge. SPY breaking down in the close as expected. SPY breaking down in the close as expected. That's why you got to lock into this channel right now for all of the updates and predictions as they come out. Wait, we have 2 brand new members? What the fuck happened? Danny Lamb. Shout out Danny Lamb. Shout out Broski, homie right here. You know I can't read that name. I'm sorry. Doc Will Zero. What up, Doc? Emmanuel. And Anubis Gaming. Shout out to the boys. SQQQ breaking out of the falling wedge. SQQQ pushing to the upside. SQQQ double falling wedge. Double wedge. Hey, we just got a new follower on Instagram. I appreciate it. Got a new follower on Instagram. I appreciate it. Thank you. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Help me out. We're trying to get more numbers, baby. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. AMC possible bull flag consolidation. Let's go. Hey, yo. SPY breaking down at a rising wedge as expected. So many baddies with so many fatties. Baddies with a fatty. Rockets in the chat right now. AMC 5. If we close above 5, bullish. SQQQ pushing up, baby. Whoa. I got your girl on my line, the world on my line. The irony of them both at the same time. We the best. Better than the rest. Better than them all. We just have the ball. DZ Fab in the building. Yo, if you're a member right now, I need you to drop something. I need you to drop some type of member emoji right now. If you are a member, if you got a green name next to your shit, if your name is green, if you got a badge next to your name, I need you to drop some special emojis right now. Drop those member emojis right now. Drop the Bitcoin B, drop the DZ, drop the DZ got keys. Let's see those emojis. Bow, bow, bow. Yay, AMC $5 right now. Drop them emojis. DZ family, DZ radio, let's go. Tell me we ain't the best. Bro, cop yourself some merch, bro. If you haven't copped some merch, bro, you need to cop some merch, bro. You need to get official right now, bro. And the shit is dope. We got so much dope shit out right now, bro. And if you want to look cool, if you want real drip, bro, if you want to look like the boy himself, bro, I got the swag. You already know I got the drip, bro. If you want the drip yourself, man, cop yourself a t-shirt, cop yourself a hat, and start rocking out, baby. Let's go. I won't mind if the DZ fam copy my drip. You'll be pulling baddies in no time. Learn about stocks, get yourself some money, copy yourself some fresh drip. Yeah, you'll be pulling some baddies in no time. Get yourself some bread, stack yourself some assets. I got you on the drip as well, man. I got everything you need on this channel. I got everything you need on this channel, son. Hit me up, I got what you need. You got 99 problems, but if this ain't one, hit me. We in the building. I want to see GameStop push and hold 2080. I want to see GameStop push and hold 2080. I think we have merch for pets. I think. Yes, we got DZ pet merch right there. Shit real, dog. AMC 501, AMC 501. If you want to see Amy go up, you need to drop them rockets in the chat right now. If you want to see Amy go up, you need to drop them rockets in the chat right now. Bro, if AMC breaks and holds 502, bruh. Oh, shit. So expect to see SPY pull back. Expect to see SPY pull back, and that's what we're seeing right now. SPY pulling back from a high of 531.29. AMC pushing up 502. AMC bull flag. AMC about to break 502. Let's go. $5 play that I put out in the Discord about to play out. That little AMC play that I put out, yeah, that about to play out. AMC up 4.15% on the day. GameStop up 4.46% on the day. Green day for the memes. $12 minutes remaining. AMC pushed to 504. AMC pushed 504. AMC pushing up in the close. Bull flag breakout. Bull flag breakout. AMC bull flag breakout. I told you guys bullish consolidation on AMI. $5 play playing out right now. Bitcoin still at 59,700. We got 9 minutes remaining. AMC at 505. GameStop 21.76. AMC up 4.5%. GameStop up 4.5%. RSI overbought Amy. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Help support the channel for absolutely free. Hit that like button and subscribe. If you find the channel informative, entertaining, hit the like button and subscribe. SPY breaking down. MACD's going red. Watch out. SPY getting ready to lose momentum. AMC boosting. AMC 506. AMC 506, new intraday high. Bull flag breakout. AMC 506. 506 price target hit from Discord. 506 price target hit from Discord. RSI overbought. RSI overbought.
Classic on the track, boy.
We just need to hold 502 in the close. Closing above 502 would be mad bullish. We're definitely gonna pull back, but if we can close above 502, that'd be great. And if GameStop can close above like 2177, 2180, that'd be great. We got 295 people in the building, man. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that like button. We got 302 in the building. .302 in the building. Hit that like button. 3 brand new members. Whoa, did I miss a gifted? What the? Did I miss a gifted, dog? Eric G with the fucking gifted, dog. Eric G with the gifted, giving us 3 brand new members today. Shout out Eric G, man. Building the community 1 member at a time. Eric G buys gifted like he buys coffee, bro. He's wild. AMC trying to confirm 502 as support. This would be bullish. If we close above 502, bullish. Rave time. Drop rockets right now if you want to see AMC close above 502. Drop rockets right now if you want to see Amy close above 502. SPY pulling back into close as expected. SPY pulling back into close as expected. $292 in the building. 3 brand new members. 173 likes. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Amy confirming 502. Whoa. We are in the building. Rockets in full effect. AMC 504. No way, we sold some merch. We sold some more merch. Shout out to whoever bought merch, man. I appreciate you. If you want to send a picture of the merch that when you cop it, once you get it to my email, go ahead. I'm making a collage of people who cop the merch. AMC making a nice push right now. Rockets in full effect, 506. 1 minute. Okay, market is closed. Market is closed. Market is closed. Market is closed. AMC intraday high 508. AMC closing at 508. No, AMC closing at 509, ladies and gentlemen. AMC closing at 509. Intraday high 509. 509. Intraday high. And we close at 509. Bullish consolidation. Bull flag pop to the upside. They tried to short us down an hour ago. It didn't do shit. They tried to short us down with 400,000 short shares. Didn't do shit. We bounced back to the upside. That was an hour ago. That was about this time here. We bounced back to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, do you see what's happening? Amy going bullish. Rockets in full effect. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe on the way out. AMC confirming 502 as support, which is extremely important. GameStop closing at 21.75. SPY closing at 5.62. 5.62. Thank you for watching DZ live stream. You already know what it is. And thank you, man, for whoever copped that merch, man. They got the You Dig t-shirt. They got the You Dig t-shirt, bro. They got the You Dig t-shirt. Oh, man. I love it. Thank you, guys. I couldn't do this without you. Yeah, go cop yourself some fresh drip, bro. You dig? Guys and girls apparel. We got stuff for pets. We got stuff for everybody. Aaron worked really hard on the store. Today was awesome, yeah. Today was awesome. Yeah, no problem, Eric G. I got you. Damn, I gave away mad gifteds over the past 2 months. I gave away 25 memberships over the past 2 months, giving back to the community. Dude, I'm not even. It's not a bad thing, but everyone was definitely lost without me, bro. That shit was crazy. I seen the Discord was going crazy. I just seen madness and chaos. I was like, I have to get online, bro. I just seen chaos. I seen everybody so confused and they weren't understanding what's going on, and it was just nuts. It's good to be needed. It's good to be needed. I like it. It means my job got some demand to it. So that means people will always want to tune in. That's a good thing. And even though we started at 1, bro, we still got 1,700 freaking views. Almost 2K. It does seem like as soon as I don't get online, crazy things happen too. And then it seems like right when I get online, I don't know, it's crazy. It does seem like when I do go live sometimes, crazy shit happens, and it seems like for whatever reason, like the one day that I'm not live right away, it's like crazy shit happens too. I don't know, man. XRP up massively, by the way, if you don't know. XRP up massively. XRP up 17%. Low 42 cents, 44 cents, all the way to 62-cent high. Good day for crypto. Bitcoin at 59,000 and it's making a bull flag. I'll take it. Buy more, make more. The more crypto I have, the better it is. The more crypto you have, the better it is, man, for real. Bitcoin up 7%, Ethereum up 9%, XRP up 4%, Solana up 8%, Algorand up 7%, Cardano up 6. A lot of altcoins got boosts because the Chevron president, man, is gone. So the SEC is not going to be able to sue the altcoins like they thought. And they brought lawsuits against Cardano and all types of shit. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If I do a video, I probably won't do a video today because I'm mad tired, y'all. So probably nothing today, but I'll be live tomorrow. Thanks, I appreciate it. See ya. See y'all later. Be easy, y'all. AMC should bounce. I'm gonna leave my prediction exactly how it is. We should be able to confirm 502. I think they probably shorted some short shares after hours, but we'll find out. AMC has support at 5. It's gonna be like a battle between 502 and 5 and then bounce. I'm gonna leave everything the way I have it. Buckets in the chat. See ya. Thank you guys and girls for watching. Much love. DZ fam. Over and out. Yeah, you're gonna cut in September, we know. Everyone knows. Spy's breaking down out of a rising wedge, and it's looks like it might be making a double top. Okay. That's all she wrote, folks. That's all she wrote. I couldn't do this without y'all, so you already know what it is. Gotta have love for the fam. Gotta show support for the fam. AMC getting that bounce. Look at that. Look at that bounce, baby. That's why I should have left my shit. Never doubt myself. Remember that. Okay. Hey, thanks, Danny. I appreciate it. We just hit 180 likes, 1,785 views. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for tuning in. I know how the saying goes. As always, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out.
Classic on the track, boy.
Hey TJ, you made this?
All right, folks. That's all she wrote. Thanks for all the love and appreciation. And you already know. Have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out.